See how it is.
Okay, go ahead.
I can open it. Okay.
Ooh. Ooh. Wow.
Mama, look at what it is.
Pull it out. What's in there? Oh!
And look,
Oh my goodness.
there's also. I was watching for these all day long. Hey, I found a note here.
Let's see what
I'll
it
read
says.
it. It says, to Hunter, Merry Christmas from Matt and Mullen.
Hunter, look at the outfit. Do you see what it is?
A bigger one.
Yeah, but look, you have your own construction outfit.
And with goggles.
Yeah. Can you say thank you, Matt and Malin?
Thank you, Matt and Mullen.
Oh, wow.
Look at
Sash, let's
this.
see what you have. Sashi, can you say thank you?
It's pink.
Yeah.
Church. Yeah.
Oh, there's a pen in here somewhere. It's in here.
Sashi, you like it?
Oh, I made it blue.
Yeah. Sasha, can you say thank you? Sasha.
I'm gonna put on this. I'm gonna put on
I'd say
this.
it's a hit, guys.
Wait.